Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G9 Power and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to this button. Here we get access to other modes of this camera. Now let's focus on the video modes, and here we have the slow motion, so let's pick it. Now here we are, we can start recording this kind of video by using this big button at the center. So let me start recording to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on this button. To see the video, let's move to this one here from the right, so we get quick access to the gallery. And now we can play our slow motion video by tapping on the center. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and leave the thumbs up.